Hey guys, today I want to unbox Razer Tartarus Pro, that's analog gaming keypad. It's modifiable keypad you can use in every game. So actually, you know everything about this. I go further when I want to install it on my computer. So now you can see the box of this, and this is the back. 2-year warranty and Razer RGB, and this is the technical optical switch, dual function. You can put two step of action, the twice to input, one step goes, for example 1.5 millimeter goes and one action happened, and full action goes to another, and you can select how much effort you need to activate that action. You can set macros, 32 programmable keyboard keys, and it has 8 profiles, and you need to use the Razer app to find everything. So we start unboxing. A good quality device. And to see what's in there. Everything is done. The dock part and some sticker from Razer. Yeah, the manual. Good, the sizes. It's good for my hands. I don't have any big hand. What I heard about this was the space key is far away, so some person use this button. I don't know, I need to play with this and see what is what's better for me. Yeah, you can set this based on 2 steps based on your hand size, and it's just 2 steps, so you don't have any other choice. The top one, or the bottom one. Bottom one is far for me. It's big. Yeah, I think it's a good quality device. I need to test it, and after that I complete my review.